advancement of history and research.
Very strange. By the way, what do you want to do after graduation?
I want to work a company and I will continue my master degree in Canada next year.
Wow, that's a good choice. What will you major in?
I'm going to major in government maybe.
That's cool. But studying abroad is expensive, right?
No, I will do a scholarship.
Well, I hope you get one.
Thank you, Alma. By the way, where do you want to continue your studies?
I am not going to continue my studies.
That's why there are so many scholarships.
I am going to work for a digital marketing company.
It's amazing. Have you started applying for this job yet?
Sure, I will be doing an interview at Digitech Solution next week.
Good job.
What do you want to do with your free time this year?
I will be freelancing to make application and helping my mom with her trade.
Wow, that's amazing. You are really good.
Not really. You're even better. Keep your up spirit for your interview next week.
Thank you. You should also keep up with your study and your work.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.